Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the best source file you have. You want WAV or FLAC rather than a low bitrate MP3 because artifacts complicate separation. Once loaded into your DAW or editor, create a duplicate track and work on the copy so you always have the original. Make sure your session sample rate matches the file. Mismatches cause timing and quality loss. Now pick the method. Phase cancellation on stereo stems if you have them, or AI isolation tools if you only have a stereo mix. You now perform the heavy lifting. If you possess a stem or instrumental track, align and invert phase to cancel shared elements. Precise sample alignment is critical for deep cancellation. If not, run an AI separation or spectral editor and isolate the vocal or instrumental layers. Adjust separation strength and preserve transients. Once isolated, use mid/side EQ and narrow notch filters to reduce residual music in problematic bands, and manually paint out noisy artifacts. You finish by exporting the clean track to a high-quality WAV or FLAC, checking levels and applying gentle limiting only if needed to avoid pumping. Once exported, test the result on several speaker systems and headphones to catch hidden artifacts or phase issues that only show in certain playback chains. If you hear hollowing, phasing, or leftover music, go back and tweak separation parameters, adjust EQ notches, or try a different AI model, reapply manual spectral edits. One troubleshooting tip: if odd phase cancels occur, flip phase back and realign samples.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.